What is going on, Lake Pro Tackle fam? Hope you're having a wonderful day today. You know, there's not a lot of information out there right now about this rod. I've seen a couple videos, but now that I actually have one in my hands here, I'm going to tell you a little bit more about it. This right here is going to be the Steez heavy cover special rod. This is a bait casting rod in the Steez AGS lineup. There's a lot of cool features about this rod that make it a little bit different from some of the other ones, as well as a couple separators that separate it from some of its competitors in the extra heavy lineup of rods. So we're going to talk about that in this video, so stay tuned. Before we talk more about the rod itself, I do want to invite everyone in the North Texas area, especially if you are close to Ray Roberts or Texoma, Louisville, anywhere around here, make sure to stop on by the store. We've got a bunch of cool in-store sales as well as a bunch of cool tackle you're not going to find anywhere else in North Texas, let alone really the whole state of Texas or around the country. So make sure to stop into Lake Pro Tackle, y'all. Let's hop into the video. All right, so if you aren't familiar with the Steez lineup, this is going to be Daiwa's highest end in the US market. Now, of course, there are more expensive rods in the Daiwa International, but these right here, the Steez AGS, are going to be the top of the top in the American USD market. Now, what's really cool about the Steez lineup is that they come in a wide range of unique powers, actions, tapers, everything like that, and the heavy cover special is no exception to that. This rod here, let's get the basics over with. This is a 7'4" extra heavy rod. This is going to be a fast/extra fast rating on the action. And you know, the power itself in this rod, being an extra heavy, this is rated for 1/2 ounce all the way up to 2 ounces. So whether you're flipping extremely heavy vegetation, especially grass, reeds, anything like that, tules, this rod's going to have enough power to get those fish out of there, as well as something that's really unique about this rod that differs it from a lot of other rods is that this power in this rod actually moves throughout the entire blank in a completely different pattern. You know, being a fast action, a lot of these tip sections are extremely fast, stiff, and being extra heavy, you know, you definitely want a faster rod, especially if you're doing a bottom contact style, you know, fishing method. But this rod here, it actually has a good amount of bend moving into the back half of the rod, moving into the last 3 eyelets. Even though these are extra heavy blanks, there is a little bit of give, especially under high load. And that extra little bit of parabolic bend in the back section of the rod is going to help increase your landing ratio, whether it is, you know, keeping those fish pinned when they're pinned up against a reed clump, under a grass mat, or anything like that. That is one of the cool, unique features about this rod. Now, being 7'4", I'm 5'10" on a bad day, 5'11" on a good day. This rod is extremely, extremely comfortable here. It fishes very similar to something like a swim bait rod, where you've got a little bit longer handle here, but it's not too big and bulky. And on the topic of big and bulky, this rod here is balanced extremely, extremely well. I've got it paired up right now with a very, very light Steez A2. This reel right here is made for that heavy cover, that just nitty gritty, heavy braid, heavy fluorocarbon. That is what this reel is made for. And being as light as it is, you actually get a lot of balance a little bit higher up from the reel seat. As you can see right here, I'm actually on the Steez logo, and it's actually going back just a little bit. And why is that a good thing in my opinion? Well, if you're fishing braid all day, you're typically not tucked up like this. And having a little forward heavy rod is not a bad thing when you're fishing like this, but a lot of the time you're not if you're flipping vegetation. If you're flipping all day, a lot of the time you're going to be out in front of you, and having that little bit of weight back towards you is going to keep that tip high, especially when you add a little bit of weight, and it's going to allow you to have a little bit extra power as you're setting the hook straight backwards. So from a balance perspective, especially when paired up with a Steez A2, this combo is extremely, extremely fishable. Overall, the weight of the rod compared to some other rods, it is very, very manageable. So it is extremely light when it comes to the rod and reel combo. Now, one of the things that attributes to that, of course, is going to be the AGS guides right here. And the AGS guides are going to be a carbon mixture that really allow the rod itself to be extremely, extremely light. that carbon infused onto the blank here is going to increase sensitivity as well, especially with braided line, which is going to be primarily what this is going to be used for. Now, for the line rating, it says 30 to 60 pound braid. My happy place is around 40. I've personally never broken 40-pound line even on like a snap hook set. So 40 pound is going to be my kind of go-to, especially on a reel like this. When it comes to fluorocarbon, I definitely recommend at the bare minimum, go 15. You can do 17, be extremely comfortable, but 20 pound is going to be kind of what you want to run if you do happen to run fluorocarbon. I know it can make a difference here and there, so if you are doing that, make sure to run a little bit heavier line, especially with this rod, because again, it is an extra heavy. When it comes to different varieties of lures that you can throw, again, you can do the normal jig, you can do a Texas rig, you can do a free rig. I highly encourage you to try a free rig on this because, again, it does have a little bit of extra parabolic action throughout the blank, which is very nice, especially for free rigs. Another technique is going to be heavy cover frogging, especially with those bigger frogs, megabass frogs. Definitely give those a try. You know, your really big spros, that's what this rod can be used for as well. And that softer tip section, even though it is still fast, that softer tip section is going to absorb a little bit of that initial bite. So definitely encourage y'all to give this combo a try right here. Of course, come to the store if you are in the North Texas area. Come feel it out for yourself, as well as be on the lookout for some more content, because this guy right here is going in the boat. We did get a restock on a couple other Steez rods. The power pitch has been exceptional. I've been using that one a lot this spring, especially with just a simple Texas rig, as well as throwing some smaller swim baits, such as the Clutch Eco. It has been an absolute dream. Now, the difference between the power pitch and something like this, again, little bit shorter handle section on the power pitch and a little bit more parabolic action throughout the entire rod. So this is going to be truly a heavy cover special. I realize now it's upside down. Truly heavy cover special rod right here from Daiwa. So make sure to check out the full line of Steez rods on the website, as well as Steez reels. And of course, take advantage of that Tatula promotion while it's still going on. It ends at the end of May. So thank you so much to everyone for watching. If you aren't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Follow the social media, Instagram and Facebook, and we'll see you next time at Lake Pro Tackle. See you guys.